Hi guys, I'm so happy to see you today. Today we are going to talk about also vintage, but how to style and how to wear a vintage beret, French beret. So I received a lot of questions actually from my website about how to wear a vintage beret, because right now it's the most like fashionable accessoire. Right now everybody is wearing a beret. And why I like vintage berets. So vintage berets are very unique. You can find very unique pieces. It looks so chic, so cool. You don't need to buy fast fashion, like I said. And you can find very cool Chanel beret. And over brand like Jean Paul Gaultier, Christian Dior, whatever. I love vintage. There's so many stories behind the clothes. Vintage is about story and feelings. So if you like to express yourself, if you like to feel different, you're gonna love vintage. And I'm gonna show you how to wear the vintage beret like a true Parisian. So before coming to that, just a little story about the beret. So I think the beret is the most vintage accessoire because beret is very old. It goes back to the 19th century, actually 17th, 19th, so it's very old. It has at least 200 of century of history. So the beret was invented by French and the French military. So especially the Alpine, the military from the Alpine, from the mountain, they were wearing beret, and it was their symbol, their military symbol. And they were wearing a red beret actually. And it has been introduced into the mass, into the mass fashion by Coco Chanel. It's Chanel who really decided to make the beret like the French emblem and the chic accessoire. Chanel was a very strong woman with a very strong personality. She changed the fashion industry or the fashion history for, like forever, and she loves masculine and men garment or men clothes. She loved that, and she decided to use the French beret like a fashion accessoire. So the first time she introduced the beret, it was like a shock. People were very shocked because usually beret it was for men actually, not for women. And Chanel decided to free a woman. And she made the beret so sexy, so like chic and sexy. It gives you a lot of style actually when you are wearing a beret. So the first time she introduced it was like a complete shock, and many people did not understand why women should wear beret, but it looks so chic that it has been adopted since then. She introduced the beret like, if I'm not wrong, if I'm correct, like nearly 19th, early 19th, so it's very old actually. And she introduced the beret into her collection more and more, and it was like sensational, and Parisian women love it. And after that, every Parisian woman was wearing a beret. So it became really a French emblem, a Parisian chic emblem because of Chanel. Thank God Chanel exists. And so I'm going to show you how to wear the French beret. I have a vintage beret. It's no brand, it's not a Chanel one, no brand, just to show you that you can look cool even if it's not a Chanel. So this is my vintage beret I just bought. So first advice I'm gonna tell you, so never wear the beret. So this is the first look right now. I think it's the most classic one. Classic one. So my first like advice would be never wear your beret straight, meaning like don't wear your beret like that. it's a style, but it's not really like we don't wear the beret like that in Paris, or like Parisian women like to style like that. And I'm pretty sure if you see Vogue or if you see a magazine, you're gonna see like that. It's really classic, so it's on the side and it's a little bit like that, okay? After you can play a little bit, meaning that if I don't want to be too much, I can just like, you know, like that. But I prefer like that. You see the difference? You see, it's very, I like the, you know, I like like that. I think it looks very, very chic. So you can pair it with, right now, with, you know, how I will wear my beret like that. I see the look right now. I see like a very long, I just bought a very nice dress right now, vintage one, very long, very like, you know, tight dress, a little bit like Alaya or Hervé Léger, very, very tight, very sharp, and with some boots, very strong boots. I see the look, I see it now. And that with a French beret. Or you can add also a leather jacket, oversized. Don't forget to oversize your jacket, especially if you're wearing something very sexy or very like big décolletage. If you like to show your boobs, it's chic to oversize things. Otherwise, it's too like, it's a little bit vulgar. It's like showing too much at the same time. Never show everything you have right now, never. So like that, I see the look. It reminds me a little bit of Jean Paul Gaultier 80s. I really like it. Okay, another way to wear your vintage beret right now, it's I like it actually because it's a little bit more masculine. If you like the androgyne style or masculine style, you're gonna love it. And I think it's really cute actually. It's cute. Not sexy, but it's cute. Okay, like that. Did I put... yeah. So, and you're gonna put everything. So this is the second way to... I don't know if you see it. I put everything behind actually, so give a little bit more volume. Don't forget to play with your beret. It's all about volume and perspective. So there's no way or wrong to wear it. It really depends how you feel, how you want to be. I show you different style. If you want to be a little bit more sexy, put here. If you want to be more cute or a little bit more masculine, it really depends also of what you are wearing. You can wear like that. So I put everything, you know, behind. And I leave a little bit of volume on the top, but it's wearing like that, behind. I like it. It's cute. It's cute. It's not sexy, but it's cute. And yeah. So right now, this style will be more like, if you like, you know, marinière, you know. I don't know if you know. Marinière, how do you say marinière? A string, like a t-shirt with some string. Marinière, or I see jean. But it's a cute style, so I don't see a dress with this one. I see more like jeans or moccasin, little bit shoes, you know. It's cute style right now, so we're not like, but I really like it, and I saw a lot of women doing that. So everything, you know, I don't know if you see it, but I put everything on the back. So, like I said, yeah, I saw more with jeans, a little bit like sneakers, or even a leather pants, a little bit oversized. You can oversize your beret actually. You can take a big one. This one like a little bit of volume, I'm gonna say that. And you know what, you can, I don't have a fringe actually, I don't have any bang, but you can put some, look, if you put some, you can play with your hair. Don't forget, you play with your beret. So let me see, I need my glass right now. But yeah, I don't have any bang, that's too bad. But if you have one, you can add some hair in the front, like Jeanne Birkin when she was young. What she was doing actually, she put some hair. Let me see if I can do that actually. I have a little like very small fringe hair. But look, you play. I like beret because you can always play. Let me see myself. Yeah, that's not bad. You can play. You can add some hair. It's too bad I don't have a bang, but yeah, always had some hair here in the front. Okay, another way to wear your beret is to attach your hair. It works. Right now, to show you how you can wear it when you attach your hair. So very simple. You see, you don't need to do a lot of like stuff. Very simple. So how I can... Oh, that's nice. Look how chic it looks. So right now, you can't, when you're wearing your hair, you can't really wear it like so in the back. So what I'm gonna do, it's like that. I'm gonna like... I need to see myself. So let me put the mirror. It's better right now. Okay. I like it actually. I don't like to attach my hair a lot, but I like it. You see, you don't need to do a lot of things. You can also put some like hair on the front if you want to. But like, okay, classic one. So another way, I have another one which is a red one, also vintage. Another way to wear it, it's, so I don't know if it's really like, it's gonna stay in your head actually, but I saw some picture about it. It's to wear like that. Okay, so it's to put some hair like that. You just put the beret like really on the top of your hair, and yeah, you leave all your hair in front like that, and you can play. So it's, I think it's better to play like that, to put the beret a little bit like in the back actually, because if you put like that, it doesn't make any sense. So I saw a lot of women picture like that, and it's even better if you have a bang, like I said, but I don't have one. But yeah, and some women also attach the hair, so you see you leave this here and you just need to attach it. I like this one, it's cute, still cute, very cute. I love red beret. If you wear a red lipstick, it's so cool, so beautiful. And you can play. Yeah, that's my best advice I can tell you. It's really play with your beret. But I can understand that it's not like, if you... I'm French, so it might be easier for me to know how to wear it, because maybe it's in our culture to wear the beret. I wear the beret when I was a child. So I don't know, maybe we have like an inner sense of how to wear the beret, but you see, I saw some like that also. It's not super like cool, but I saw some picture, so not sure about this one, but it's still very cute. No, it's more like 20s retro, not really the 80s, but it's more like 20s. If you like retro, I like this too, but it's not my style. But you see, don't forget to play until you like, oh, I like this, I like this. You can also, you know, see some picture of someone wearing the beret. But I'm gonna say the most classic and the most like chic way to wear it, it's on the side. For me, it's my style. It's on the side, sorry. So play with the volume. Play with it. Really play. So cute, huh? Oh, I like it. I like the beret. This is so chic. I just need to wear a very nice red lipstick here and I'm ready. So cute. I like it very much. Okay, I think we are done. How to wear it. If you have any question, don't hesitate to ask. I have write an article about how to wear the vintage beret. I also have a nice selection of vintage beret on my website, so don't forget to check it. Chanel, Jean Paul Gaultier, Yamamoto, a lot of like in a different price, so don't forget to check it. And yeah, I would love also to see how you wear the French beret. Like I said, you don't need to be a Parisian to know how to wear it, but I can understand that it might not be that intuitive for you. Me, I know how to wear it easily. So yeah, don't forget to come on to check my blog, and I'm gonna see you for another video. Bye bye.